This is Samantha. She needs to understand how to book, amortize, and report a large purchase of merchandise imported from China. This is Martin. His job is to provide customers with fast info about his company's many medical products in compliance with regulations in 128 countries. This is Thomas. Due to a large number of recent quality-related product returns, he needs to track down the source of the manufacturing problem and adjust procedures to eliminate it. When Samantha, Martin, and Thomas search for knowledge, they are bombarded with long hit lists of documents that all look the same. The work of launching and scanning through the documents and piecing together every relevant passage into a usable answer is immense. The same time-consuming effort is occurring repeatedly throughout the business every day, practically ensuring that the knowledge workers use will be incomplete, incorrect, and out of date. Can such a business remain competitive? This is Lisa, who works for a company across town. Lisa's company addressed its knowledge access challenges with Theum. Theum transforms libraries of documents from all over the business into attractive, feature-rich knowledge portals that are optimized for fast, intuitive access and navigation on every device. Its one-of-a-kind, AI-enhanced thematic query delivers exactly the bits and pieces of knowledge users need for any task with a single click. The time-consuming, error-prone search through document hit lists is eliminated. When Lisa needs guidance, she queries Theum. It delivers exactly the knowledge she needs on a single web page in a flash, extracted from every relevant document, organized by context, and ready for use on any device. Not just Lisa benefits from Theum's easy way of accessing knowledge. Even new users are enabled to get right to work with greater speed, accuracy, and expertise. Her company began realizing higher levels of productivity, quality, compliance, and agility as soon as Theum went online, without having to change its existing systems and processes. Your company can too. Theum, the new, intelligent way to share and access knowledge.